A robust, high-speed mobile communications network has now, more than ever, become one of the most crucial determinants for mission success. It becomes the differentiator between mission success and failure, and for that matter, life or death. Rugged terrain and weather conditions sometimes make it even more challenging for forces to stay connected. They face communication challenges while conducting any tactical mission, jeopardizing even a well-thought plan of action. So, how do forces overcome this communication challenge? What's the solution? VNL's M-Cell backpack is the solution, helping armed forces to communicate efficiently while on the move, anywhere, anytime at the flick of a switch. VNL's portable, wireless broadband network in one box in a backpack for forces on the move. It doesn't matter how isolated a soldier is, the system will provide its service anywhere. A complete standalone wireless telephone network delivering a secure, on-the-go broadband network for mission-critical communication. Let's look at some of its benefits. Extremely fast to install and simple to operate. Energy efficient, suitable for extreme environment. Compact and robust for on-the-move network operation. IP65 casing ruggedized for outdoors. Reliable and jam-resistant. End-to-end data security. Real-time configuration. Ultra-fast voice, video, and data exchange. Now that we know how brilliant the solution is, let's move forward and see the live demonstration of how the solution works. Step 1. Open the box and take equipment out for assembling. Step 2. Attach the antennas to the backpack. Step 3. Set up the battery with the backpack to start the system. Switch on the power button. Step 4. Wait for 2 minutes. Check the blue light blinking till stability. When light is stable, the system is on. Another best thing about this system is that it can be mounted on a tripod to extend coverage to wider areas. So lightweight and flexible to deploy anywhere. Let's do some test procedures to check how efficient the system is. Use a SIM from the kit supplied with the system. You can use a pre-configured SIM or make your own SIMs with a SIM programmer. Switch on the mobile phone. Once switched on, the mobile should be latched with LTE/4G. Open the Team Talk application and check whether it is connected. Test 1. Once mobile latched on the network, check for voice calls and video. Test 2. Create a PTT group in a secure communication application or Team Talk application for audio and video call. Test 3. You can do the chatting through the secure communication application or Team Talk application. Test 4. You can share your exact location with your teammates. Test 5. During an emergency, the soldier can use the man down function. Once pressing the man down button, an automatic message will send to the person who is a connected group. Further, this will enable remote voice, video, database erase, and all remote access to man-down mobile. That is all there is to it. No special training is required. In just about 6 to 7 minutes, the solution is up and ready to operate. The same procedure can be done to start the standard backpack NiOB system. Once it is done, the forces can gain access to real-time field situational awareness by connecting the base through the voice, video, and data network. If you want a small wireless secure backpack solution that can be carried anywhere, easy and quick to set up, helping armed forces to communicate efficiently for any tactical mission in any weather condition, give VNL a call. We make solutions that make life simpler and safer.